Today we're going to go over how you can make a dashboard. So from here on the dashboard page, what you're going to do is go to Add Dashboard, click on Widget, and this creates a new dashboard for you. You can see here you have widgets where you can visualize a lot of the data you see on the other tabs. For now, let's go into creating a widget for our networking data. And what you're going to do is go to Create Widget, select the networking data, click Continue. You'll see you can either make a table or graph. Right now, let's just make a graph, hit Continue. And for the metrics, you can see the calls that actually went out or percentages of calls also. Once you fill that out, you'll see that the preview graph actually populates to show you what it's going to look like. And you can filter this out to see exactly what you want. So let's say we only wanted to look at first-party calls. You can even filter this down to certain domains, paths, and different status codes as well. The cool thing about this is also you're able to group this data into different fields as well. So when you go back to this metrics field, you'll see this button here that says group by. So if I want to see this broken out by app version, I can do exactly that. And now you'll see the preview graph shows all first-party network calls over the last 24 hours broken down by different versions. So when you're done with your graph, you're just going to name this whatever you want. So I'll just name this test, hit done, and you'll see this graph populate. Now, if I want to make this a table, what you can do is actually go in and edit this particular widget. You're going to go back here, you're going to go to table, hit continue, and this preview now changes into a table. Something cool about when you select tables is that you're actually able to group by multiple things. So here, when you click back here, you can actually group by app version and let's say country. And now you'll see the data broken out that way. So I'm just going to exit out of this now. And then once you've created all your widgets, you can actually name your dashboard. So here we can just name this My First Dashboard and hit done. And this is what you'll see. So when you've made a dashboard that you're particularly fond of, what you can do actually is just throw this up onto a huge screen that you have at home or in the office so you can just keep an eye on how things are going. So here, this is the presentation mode, and you're actually able to see it just like this. Cool. And then you can also exit the presentation mode and continue to edit these widgets as you like. Awesome. Feel free to hit us up on Slack if you have any questions. Always happy to help. Have a good one, guys.